When that weather's starting to get a little colder, I like a casserole. Today, we're gonna do a tater tot casserole on the griddle and Blackstone pellet grill. Hey, it's gonna be some good groceries. Hey, let's get started. That's some good groceries. All right, to get things started, got a few things to prep, but what you want to do is get your Blackstone pellet grill. You want to get that up to 350 degrees, and we're going to use our griddle. Get that pre-warmed to like a low medium heat. Be great. We're going to dice up like half an onion. Now you can make this as elaborate as you want. You can make it as simple as you want, so feel free to omit some of these things if you don't like it. All right, we're gonna put these onions down onto our griddle. We'll add a little bit of bacon up, a little bit of essentials. A little bit of essentials. I call it essentials, it's essentials blend. It's got all the essentials in it. And we're just gonna mix that up real well. Now, while those are going, we're gonna get our ground beef down. And I got 2 pounds of ground beef. Whoop. Whew, smell those onions already. Smells great. And we're just gonna get that ground beef. I want to make sure I get a nice contact patch on there. And I'm just gonna leave it. Just gonna leave it. We'll let it brown. And then we're gonna flip it. We're gonna start chopping it up. Our onions really don't need any more love. I mean, they're nice. They're softened. Let's put these over here, right up on that cool spot. I got low, high right here in the middle, and a medium over here on this side. Beef browned up nicely. We're just gonna do the same thing on this side. Just let that brown. We're gonna give this another 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're gonna start doing some chopping. All right, it's been a couple minutes on this side. Just gonna bring our meat over here to the side and get rid of some of this fat that's kind of pooled right there. Get rid of some of it. We don't need all of it. All right. Now let's bring it back to the middle, just like that. And I'm gonna season it up just a little bit. Got a little bit of hatch green chili and cheddar from Blackstone. Thought that'd be a great little touch. And essentials. I like the essentials. I like the name of Essentials Blend. It's essential, okay? And season that up real well. Gonna mix this up really well. Onions. Hello, onions. Whoop. Put that right there. Onions go down. I'll mix that in. Now, we're gonna put all of our other goodies in here too. I'm actually gonna get me a cast iron skillet and just gonna put it right here. This is where we're gonna lay all of our goodies in as soon as we get done. Gotta make sure you grease it. Just like that. Now comes the fun part. Got a little fire roasted green chilies into the mix. Love green chilies. A little cream of mushroom soup here. Now I'm kind of making a double batch here. It's kind of a big batch. Cream of mushroom with roasted garlic. How about that, huh? How about that? That sounds pretty amazing. Now to this mixture, to add a little bit more creaminess, I'm gonna add about a half a block of cream cheese. Right there, right there. All right, once you get your cream cheese in, we're gonna mix this all together. We wanna make one cohesive family. We got some cheese to put in. I'm using this, this is a cheddar cheese blend. It's called a 4-state blend. Is that what it says? 4-state cheddar. Can't go wrong with white cheddar, yellow cheddar, whatever, you know, what other state cheddar. There we go. And we're gonna mix that in. And this looks like, we got a little happiness plate right here. Let's put it in our cast iron skillet. Now we're just gonna kind of flatten this out. Take our shorter spatula here, just like that. A little bit more cheddar cheese on top, why not? Now comes the fun part, old tots. This can be kind of tedious too, so you just want to take your time, and we're just going to outline our tater tot, or outline our pan here with tater tots. We'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. We'll be coming around the mountain when she, there we go, look at there, woohoo! That was probably the hardest thing, putting the darn tater tots on there. Let's season our tots up a little bit. Actually, I'm gonna put I'm gonna squirt a little bit of oil on these tots. A little cold out here. This is supposed to spray a little bit better. It'll be all right. I'm gonna put a little oil on there. And we're gonna put some essential blend. Essentials. We'll season them tots up. All right. Let's head over to the pellet grill and get this on. All right, we're gonna let this go for about 45 minutes or so. We're gonna check it about the 30-minute mark, see where it's at, all right? Guys, it's been 45 minutes. And y'all, this thing looks amazing. Look at that. Let's get this out. Shoo-hoo-wee. Boys and girls, that looks good. Woo-hoo-hoo. Boy, that's a plate full of goodness right there. You can kind of see right there. It's nice, crunchy, crispy. It's like, I like the edges of about anything. Man, that looks good. Let's church it up just a little bit. A little bit of scallions, a little bit of green onions, just to kind of make things pop a little bit. And there we go. Got a little bit of parsley too. I like the flake of the parsley. Let's dig into this thing. Let's get us a little portion out here. I want some of this right here. I want that crunch. I want that crunch. Ooh. Oh, boys and girls. Look at that. Nice little healthy helping. I mean, we could stand just a little bit more of that right there. Get a little trizzy. Come here, tater tot. Oh man. The exterior of the tater tot, nice and crunchy. The bottom, a little softer. That meat mixture, my goodness. Cheesy. Creamy. The darn, that cream of mushroom soup just works. You gotta try this. It is so, so good. Can't have enough of it. Y'all, hey, I appreciate you tuning in. Hey, I want you to head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll see other awesome videos just like this. I'm Matt Hussey, and that's some good groceries.